I've got my winter Beachly box. So if you want to see what's inside and what today's giveaway is, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for checking us out. We hope you decide to stay. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. Beachly is a beach life inspired box, so it's a lifestyle subscription box inspired by coastal living. It is seasonal. It is a little on the pricier side. It's about $89 a box, but it is chock full of some really neat items. And there is your sneak peek. And I mean, it's a big box. For the first time in a while, we have a little guide to, I think, our products. Guessing there's a lot of products in here. There are a lot of choice items in this box. I think there were like 3 choices this time around. So right on top, we have this Island House Company keychain with this adorable pineapple on there. This is definitely a Chloe item, and that is a $15 value. Next, we have this Iwi Nails Wahoo Makayo, and I'm pronouncing that terribly, nail file set. So super adorable. And that's a $10 value. Next, we have by Salt and Umber, a sandalwood musk vegan soy candle. Now, y'all know how I feel about sandalwood, right? It is not my favorite scent. Oh, that's not bad though. I actually like that. There is how the candle looks. It's a 1 wick. They're calling it the Beach Dweller Candle. And that's a $25 value. They are all handcrafted, and it targets the eco-conscious consumer. The brand supports female entrepreneurship, small businesses, and local artists. So this is a scarf, a winter scarf. It's kind of a thinner one. This is by Tag Aloha in Kaleo, Hawaii. Beautiful though. And it, you know, for me, this is actually perfect because when I have thick chunky scarves, because my hair is so fine and thin, what it does is it just knots up in the back. So this actually would not really cause a problem, but it is nice and fleece, and I'll bet you it's nice and toasty. For those first few items, these were some of the choices. And I can't grow anything, so I didn't get that, although I should have thought about it and gotten it for my partner. And why didn't I get that? There was a body scrub. I don't know why I didn't pick that. I don't feel like I picked, I think it was, I don't think that these 2 were choice items. I think everybody got these, but I'm not sure. I'll have to watch some other people. I think it was like between these 3 things maybe. I could be wrong. All right, so these were all of the choices in this category. It wasn't like choose 2 of these. It was like one category and another category. So here's the scarf that I chose. It's the hibiscus scarf, and that's a $30 value. Tag Aloha Company is a conscious beachwear accessory brand from Kala'u, Hawaii, offering premium quality sustainable pieces designed with the local community in mind. Everything we make is locally designed and infused with the Aloha spirit, featuring original hand-drawn artwork that tells a story with purpose and meaning. And this is exclusive to the Beachly box. Next, and I don't see this anywhere in the choices, but it was one of the choices. So this was a choice from, I think, last season that I had somehow missed choice, and it wasn't even fall. I think it was summer. I missed choice, I feel like. And I was like, that bag is so cute. So when I saw this as a choice item, I went ahead and snagged it because I think the other things in here were a bathrobe, which I don't need another bathrobe. I mean, not that I need another bag, but look at how cute that is. Nice and big, pretty stripes on the inside. does snap closed, and then there is this pocket on the inside that velcros, so it will keep, you know, something in there, won't fall right out. And this is by Seabird Society. And I don't know the value on this, but I know it was rather expensive. I feel like this was one of the choices in there, which is a cute robe. I mean, I'm looking at it on here. It does look like a nice, pretty plush robe. The Sunrise Seashell robe. And, you know, maybe in a future box, if they have it as a choice, maybe I will pick it up if there's other things that I'm like, you know, like the hoodie, I probably wouldn't really wear that often. And the beanie, I don't really wear hats that often. And I have a ton of beanies, so that one didn't interest me. All right, the last item in my box is this, it's vacuum sealed up, is this soft fuzzy blanket. It has these beautiful suns on them. It is reversible with a white with blue on the back. It is, I mean, look at, you can see how soft that is, right? So you could have gotten it in blue or in that coral color. It is the Sun Plush Throw. It's a Beachly exclusive. It's a $79 value. In Sun Dream is the maker. It's a small family-owned and operated business born in Ventura, California, a seaside town where rolling hills slide into Pacific swells. Rusty trucks are prized and old California ways are still celebrated. So the robe was a $99 value by Salt Sisters. The hoodie was a $75 for a hoodie. $75 value by Rhythm. And then the beanie was a $30 value, also by Tag Aloha. So there's another look at those. And again, you know, maybe in the future I'll get that. I've got a white robe that's heavy, and I have a really heavy gray robe for the winter time. So I didn't think I really need another robe, although, I mean, that is so pretty. So I don't know, I'm kind of kicking myself now, but that's all right. I'm sure I'll see it in a future box. All right, that's my Beachly box, and I think great items. So what's in today's giveaway? In today's giveaway, there is the set of brushes here, and there are 12 brushes in this set. They're this beautiful blue marbling, and then they're like white with blue tips on there. I don't really know where I got these from, but they are very nice brushes. But I have a ton of brushes. And to go with that, now those are eye and face, but to go with that, we have this Treasure Chest palette by Mellow. I do already have one of these, so I don't need a second one. And there is how that looks. So for all you neutral ladies out there, this is definitely a palette for you with a little pop of color here and there. And I have not swatched this or anything. It has not been touched. There's a couple areas where it almost looks like maybe there's some indents, but this is really the first time I've taken it out of the container because I own one. So I wouldn't take it out a second one. So if you are interested in this bundle, I want you to use the word Treasure Chest because that's the name of the palette. It's the Mellow Treasure Chest palette. This lets me know that this is a giveaway that you're interested in, that you would like to be considered for. And not every giveaway is for everybody. Some of my skincare folks probably won't enter. They're waiting for those skincare ones like I just did. And my makeup folks, they're going to be like, yes, sign me up for that. So again, the brushes are lovely. The palette is lovely. It's a great set. I think anybody would love them. I don't know the value of either, but I'm putting them together. So, you know, there's some value there for you. All right. So thank you so much for spending a little time with me. Please make sure you're hitting that like and subscribe button. Make sure you're publicly subscribed and hit that notification bell so that if you're the winner, you'll be notified. And hopefully I'll see you soon.